and today we have Aleya Mehlhaff interviewing Mia Farmer, the rock star of the Black Hills. To you, Aleya.
Thank you, Tate. Today we have Mia Farmer, the rock star of the Black Hills. Hi, Mia. How are you today?
I'm good.
That's good. So, what do we have here?
We have sedimentary rocks, which there are two kinds. There's clastic and non-clastic. Clastic is pressure on sediment puts fragments together and make up the rock. An example is breccia, a clastic rock with sharp angular pieces. Non-clastic is formed when minerals dissolve in water. With some rocks, minerals can't stay dissolved, so it settles to the bottom, such as limestone. Geological column shows that water deposited in sediment layers, horizontally showing different time periods based on fossils. Fossils are found in sedimentary rock because of pressure on the layers of sediment. Index fossils. Fossils believed by evolutionists to show different time periods of time. Polystrate fossils extend through several layers. Example, tree trunks. Permeable rocks, which water can go through it, are high porosity. Conglomerate is fragments of rocks held together by a fine-grained matrix. Sandstone rocks found in the Grand Canyon. Shale, soft and splits into sheets.
Thank you, Mia. What a wonderful report you have here. Now, after this short break, we'll be back.
Hello there. Do you like igneous rock? You should, because igneous rock is really molten rock cooled down. Magma turns into lava when it comes out of the Earth's surface. There are two types of igneous rocks, intrusive and extrusive. Extrusive is molten rock found above the Earth's surface, and intrusive is molten rock found beneath the Earth's surface. We have both intrusive and extrusive rocks at the Igneous Rock Shop. We have big crystals, which are intrusive, and we have small crystals, which are extrusive. Other rocks we have at the Igneous Rock Shop are gabbro, diorite, and granite. These are all intrusive rocks. Diorite is a composition between granite and basalt. Gabbro is a coarse-grained, dark-colored igneous rock. Granite is a light-colored rock with large grains. Thank you, and see you at the Igneous Rock Shop soon.
And we're back with Mia Farmer, the rock star of the Black Hills. She is going to show us how we can find sedimentary rocks outside our door.
Well, they're everywhere. For example, this one, because it has layers.
And back to you, Tate.
Thank you, Aleya. And now for the nightly news. Now we have a section of You Ask and We Answer. Brought to you by Twitter. Our first tweet comes from somewhere nearby in Rapid City.
Jack Roysum, at Jack Loves the Vikes 5, says, "So my teacher is making me do this project thing about rocks. What even are metamorphic rocks?"
Thank you, Jack. Metamorphic rock is originally sedimentary rock or igneous rock, and they have appeared to have changed in their structure or chemical composition. The original rock was altered by heat, pressure, or exposure to hot fluids circling in the Earth's crust. And now on to our next question.
Reeves Morgan, at Reeves742, said, "Hey, I need homework help. What is metamorphism? I need to do a science project."
Thanks, Reeves. And metamorphism is when intrusive or extrusive magma heats and compressing the surrounding rock. There's two types of metamorphism, local and regional. Local is when the change occurs in a small area surrounding an intrusion. Presently, it is along fault lines or volcanically active areas. And then there's regional metamorphism, and these events are caused by moving of the Earth's crust and immense forces folding sedimentary rock and forming mountains in wide areas. Creationists believe that this change has occurred over a short period of time during the flood, but evolutionists believe that this was a slow process over a long period of time. And now on to our next question.
Luke Rittberger at Pookie Loves His Cat 45 asked, "Hey, can you answer my problem? I need to know how to classify a metamorphic rock. How do I do it? I have to do a science project at school." Thanks, Luke.
There are two different types of metamorphic rock that you can see when you're classifying them. There's foliated rock, and that contains flat mineral crystals aligned in parallel levers, often giving it a layered or banded appearance. And you can see this in slate, a metamorphic rock of shale, schist, a metamorphic rock of shale that was exposed to greater temperature and pressure than slate, and gneiss, when extreme pressure can result in this banded appearance. And then there's also non-foliated. This is not banded or layered, and it tends to break in sharp or angular pieces, like marble, and that's metamorphic limestone. And quartzite is metamorphic quartz sandstone. Thank you so much for joining us on this show, and please send in more tweets as we go along. Well, that wraps up tonight, and I'll see you tomorrow at 10. Okay, and we are back on News Rocks, and today we are answering some questions that people have posted. And we're back to News Rocks, and today, no, please restart, got it? Okay. And we're back at News Rocks in Seattle. No. Okay. Thank you, Aleya. And we're back, and now it's time for a section of We Ask and You Answer.
Let's go.
Keep it still for a while so she can see it.
Smile at the camera.